So what's going to be interesting about AI and what it's going to do for a programmer or a developer or IT professional, it's going to change the way that you think about your problem solving. So I still believe the core problem solving foundation is so important in a human developer. You should not solely depend on AI to do your job. You should not. And in fact, if you are, you're in the wrong job or you're not doing your job right. AI cannot do your job for you. What it can do is enhance your efficiency. It can increase the speed in which you're answering a question. It can help you validate your problem solving skills. If you've thought of a certain way to solve a problem, you can validate it with ChatGPT and see how many ideas it's aggregated that agree with that problem solve. So those things it can do from my experience. But as far as that final decision making and actually putting something together, the human computer is still pretty superior. Tech moves so fast, there is not such a thing as expertise, in my view. There is such a thing as specialization. There's there's such a thing as understanding. And there is an important foundation of problem solving you need to have to be in a tech career. But it doesn't necessitate actual expertise at any given point, like full-on expertise. I would say problem solving and then a lot of experience, but if you ever feel imposter syndrome, take it as a good sign that you're learning something new and that you're very uncomfortable. And that is a good way to look at it. And even the best developers run into problems. The best engineers run into problems and they need to figure something out. Now, of course, the scale of the problems they're trying to figure out is going to be a little different because they have a lot of experience. But again, at the end of the day, with tech, we're all just trying to figure it out every day. And that never stops. At the end of the day, that AI still didn't have the whole solution. It just said, hey, here's a few recommendations that we've kind of, unearthed from all the different code that's been written. You could try that, but you still have to make that final decision as a developer. And I don't think AI, the advent of AI, is at the point where it can make those critical product decisions, those critical IT decisions. It just can't do that. What it can do is it can power through syntax, it can power through creating process, it can power through a lot of different, content creation.